Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. About a month ago, Katy from Glowing Citrine asked if I wanted to be part of a collaboration, Sunflowers for Ukraine, to show support for the people of Ukraine. At that time, I thought it would be over and this collaboration would have just been for the sunflowers. I was so wrong, and here we are today with over 10 million people displaced from their homes, and 4 million are now refugees seeking a place to live. Mostly are women and children and the elderly, as the men were left behind to fight for their homelands. Please donate to the more than 1 million children through UNICEF. Creators for Peace. Find the link below. Thank you so much for your support. Creators for Peace, down below. I'll be pouring on a 16 by 20 canvas, and I'll be doing a Dutch pour. My Joe Sonia, and this is espresso, and that's going to be like the middle of the sunflower. Next going down is going to be Master's Touch, Yellow Deep. After that, I have a mixture of two colors, and that's Artist Loft Metallic Lemon Yellow and Master's Touch Pearl Yellow. And this was given to me by a friend. That's thank you, Jane. The last yellow in this pour is Cadmium Yellow Medium U, and that's a Liquitex Basics. I have one more yellow here, and that's this little piggy. And that is Lemon Sorbet, and hopefully that'll give it a nice little iridescent coming through. And I have a drop of green, and that green is it's a Treasure Gold. That's Treasure Gold, and that's Green Gold. Down below on my base coat, that is going to be Amsterdam Titanium White. Here's my Amsterdam Titanium White. Let me begin. Okay, I am going to leave this now because if I keep playing around, I'm going to ruin it. I think this came out terrific. I'm going to add, you will see in a little while, I will be adding, once this is a little dry, I will be adding some special touches to make it a special pour for Ukraine. You will see what that is. I am wishing peace, hope for the people of Ukraine, for the country of Ukraine. I don't even know what to say because I can't speak without crying. So I'm gonna leave this the way it is. I'm gonna take you in for a close-up because this really is a spectacular piece. Thank you everyone for coming. I will put up the next person. I hope you will go to every single person in this collaboration. I hope you donate to the cause. You can find some suggestions below of where you can donate. Thank you again, Katy at Glowing Citrine, for putting this collaboration together. And thank you, Holly, for putting that great trailer together. We really appreciate all the hard work you put into everything. Thank you. And thank you to all the artists who work so hard on their sunflowers. I'd like to take this moment too to thank all our great supporters for coming to our videos. We really appreciate you. I know I appreciate you tremendously. Thank you new, thank you old, and thank you if you've never been here before. I appreciate you very much today. Have a great day, everyone. Please be safe out there. Be well. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. I'll be signing off in a moment. Thank you. Bye-bye now.